Today we are talking about slope of a line, so make sure you have your notebook out, all separated, ready to go for your Cornell notes. Okay, so today we want to be able to calculate slope given a graph or a set of coordinate points. So what is slope? Slope is a measure of the steepness of a line. And slope can be positive, like this line. Whoa, not sure what happened there. It can be negative, like this line. It can be 0, or it can be undefined. We're going to talk here in a little bit about how we can recognize those. There are two formulas that we're going to use for slope in this case. And slope is always defined by m. Okay, don't ask me why we don't use s, but we always use m to define our slope. So one of the formulas we're going to use is rise over run. And the other formula we're going to use is when we're given 2 points. It's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so we're going to use Slope Dude here. He's going to help us figure out whether the lines are positive, negative, 0, or undefined. So here is our slope, and we got Ski Dude. I know, be impressed. And he is skiing, okay, always from left to right, because that's how we read. He's skiing down this slope. And since he is going down, this is a negative slope. If we had Ski Dude here skiing, he is going up. Okay, defying the laws of gravity, but he's going up this hill, so it is a positive slope. Okay, what if Slope Dude skis on this hill? Where's he gonna go? Well, he's gonna go nowhere. He's not gonna move at all. This hill is flat. He is just gonna sit. So since he is not going anywhere, this is 0 slope. Okay, so anytime you have a horizontal line, that is going to be 0 slope. Okay, and Slope Dude's getting real brave. And he's going down this slope. And what's going to happen? Well, I'll tell you what's going to happen. He's going to go down this slope and end up in some undefined mess down here at the bottom. Probably got a ski sticking out of somewhere that it's not supposed to be. So he's going to be in an undefined mess. So this is an undefined slope. Okay, when we are finding slope from a graph, we are going to use what we call a slope triangle. We're going to find 2 points on the line. So here is 1, 1, and 5, negative 2. And we're going to make a slope triangle from point to point. It's going to be a right triangle. And we're going to count the spaces to find the rise over the run. So we are going to rise down 1, 2, 3. And we're going to run 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, since we are going down 3, in my formula is rise over run, I'm going down 3, so that is a negative 3. So on top, I have negative 3, and I'm going to run 4. Since I'm going right, that's a positive 4. Okay, you can also set up your fraction and then decide, okay, if Slope Dude is skiing down this hill, he's going down, so we know it has to be negative, and that is also a great way to double check your answer. Okay, so if I want to find the slope here, I've got my 2 dots, and I'm going to make my slope triangle. Okay, so I rise 2, so that's a positive 2, and I run 4. Okay, and I'm just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So if my slope formula tells me that it's rise over run, and I rose 2, and I ran 4, okay, 2 over 4 is my slope. But wait, that's a fraction, and I can reduce it. So I can reduce it because 2 goes into both 2 and 4. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. So my slope is actually 1/2. I can double check, is it positive? Yes, because Slope Dude would be going up. Okay, here it only gives me 1 point, so I have to find another. So I go down this line, and I'm trying to find the best point, and I think it is right here. Okay, so I want to find my rise over my run to get to that point. So my slope is rise over run, and I rose positive 2, and I ran 1, 2, 3, positive 3. So my slope is 2 over 3. Sorry, 2 over 3. Okay, if I'm given 2 points, then I'm going to use the slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so we're not going to be given the graph now, we're going to be given 2 points. So to find the slope of the line between these 2 points, I've got 3, 5 and negative 2, 7. So 3 is my first x value, so that's x1. 5 is my first y value, so that's y1. Negative 2 is my second x value, so x2, and 7 is my second y value, so y2. So I'm going to just substitute these values into my formula. So m equals y2, oh, that's 7, minus y1, which was 5. x2, negative 2, minus x1, which is 3. So I'm going to evaluate the numerator. 7 minus 5 is 2, and negative 2 minus 3, evaluating the denominator, is negative 5. Okay, I'm going to find the slope between the points 2, 1, and negative 3, negative 5. So my first x, my first y, my second x, and my second y, and putting it into the formula. M equals y2. Oh, that's 5 minus y1. That's 1. X2, negative 3, minus x1, 2. So I'm going to evaluate both the numerator and the denominator. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Okay, 2 more examples. Negative 3, negative 5, and 4, negative 5. So my first x, my first y, second x, and second y. So M equals, okay, and I'll rewrite this at the top of the page just in case you need it. Y2, negative 5, minus y1, which is negative 5. X2 minus x1. And I'm going to evaluate. Plus, plus, that gives me 0. Plus, plus gives me 7. Okay, 0 divided by 7 is 0. So what's a 0 slope look like? Well, that's a horizontal line, right? Because if Slope Dude was skiing on this, he would go absolutely nowhere. Find the slope of the line between the 2 points negative 4, 6 and negative 4, 9. So x1, y1, x2, y2, and putting it in to my formula. 9 minus 6, negative 4 minus negative 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. And negative 4 plus 4 is 0. All right, so take a calculator. Any calculator, could be a calculator on your phone, could be a calculator on your computer, and try to put in 3 divided by 0. What happens? You will probably get some sort of error on your computer. You cannot divide anything by 0. So what do you think this is? What were our options when it came to slope? Well, we had positive, could have been negative, it could be 0, or it could be undefined. So it's not 0. If it was 0, it'd be in the numerator. So anytime that you evaluate and you find a 0 in the denominator, that is going to be an undefined slope.